Do you feel the vibes?
गड़बड़ है. Okay, now it's gone inside. The rod, this rod was out, so I was not able to. Oh. Okay. Now, as you can see here, I'll just show you. Everything is synchronized. This also synchronized. This shaft is also gone. This shaft is also properly gone inside. Now we have to install remaining spare part. This is the shim on the top which will be fitted over here. Just wipe out everything. It has to be clean. Make sure nothing is see, even if I'm telling you something wrong now, it won't go inside. Even if it is wrong, it will go only according to the protocol, only according to company settings. So little bit I was confused. So this pin is gonna be over here. There is a cap for that, so that we will fix it up later on. So this shim will go over here. Oil, okay, just tap it slowly. That's it. So this plate is now locked, it won't come off. Now this will be fitted on the top. This is the pin, should go inside over here because the pin should not pop out on the top. So now we'll have to just pull the pin. Slight hammering. Now the pin has got one location and guide. It won't go down, it won't come up. Right now remove the tool. Then okay, lock it off. Okay, so you are done with this plate locking. Now the plate is locked. Now again we have confusion with this part, so there is a possibility we might have to remove this, but we'll see. We'll go according to the manual.